Welcome a new guest, Honeybird. Honeybird is very cute. Today, first Honeybird went to my home. First bird went to my home. This is the Honeybird. Wow, I have a big tree here. Judy tree. Hi, Honeybird. Come to the ground. We have a tree here. Do not go to the ceiling. This Honeybird is amazing. Relax. Relax. We have a tree here. We have a beautiful tree here. Oh, I'm tired, Honeybird. What are you doing there? What are you doing there, Honeybird? I think the Honeybird is exhausted. You know, we have a lot of tree here. Why the Honeybirds only go to the ceiling? Because it don't want to get out. My door is open. That's how Honeybirds came in to the house. How can I help you, Honeybird? I don't want you to be scared. If you can land on my hand, I will send you out. What can I do for you, Honeybird? You will be tired. Stop, use all your energy. Honeybird, do you want to read a book? Book is here. Don't go to the ceiling. Honeybird. How can I help you, Honeybird? The door is there. The door is there. Do you want to land on my arm? I have a lot of plant here, Honeybird. Look, we have flower here also. This tree. Oh, we have flower there also. This tree have a lot of flowers. Hi, Honeybird. How can I help you? If you land on my hand, I will send you out. If you won't damage anything, right? You're so tiny. If you land on my hand, maybe I can help you guide you out. Here, Honeybird, here. The door is here. I won't bother you. Should I open the door? Too many plants here. Wow. Honeybird, the door here. Honeybird, the door is here. Oh. Wow, so nice weather. Honeybird one. These flowers, I think. Okay, I will send flower tree there. You can go out. Let me help you. I think honeybird does not have good direction. There, go there. Go there. Oh my gosh. These honeybirds. Oh my gosh, this honeybird is stubborn. It keep. It's that lower little bit. You lower little bit, you can get out. Oh my gosh. Yes, almost, almost, almost. Just go there, you will go out, almost. Honeybird, please stop. That is silly. What's wrong with you? Just lower a little bit. Just land on my foot. I think honeybirds. Oh, almost get out, almost. Almost. Why honeybird cannot feel the wind? Oh my gosh. How long the hummingbirds can fly without landing? How long it will stop? Already 10 minutes. This hummingbird already flying 10 minutes. 10 minutes. It did not land, it just continued flying. Oh, hope my YouTuber will like this channel to see how foolish the hummingbirds. It just keep on the top of the ceiling, and it's not smart that it fly. Even the fly know where the wind came from. It can fly from the door out. But this hummingbird, it just do the same thing again and again and again. You see the door is there. It just keep only here. I don't know how to help. All the doors are open, but it did not go low. It just keep bumping on the. Just fly near the ceiling. Don't know why. Happy New Year, Honeybirds. Almost. As long as you lower, you can go out, right? As long as you lower. Oh my gosh, Honeybird, you and me tired. I don't think you can fly that long. Once you're tired, you will learn. Go out, go out, go out. Oh my gosh. Okay. Continue to be foolish. Oh my gosh, I never see a foolish bird like that. All the birds know how to get out. Only the honeybird only think the ceiling. There's no flower on the ceiling. The door is there. The door is there. There. Oh my gosh. The door is there. Get out. Get out, baby. If you want to stay, it's okay. I don't want you feel stressed, exhausted. Right? Go down. Oh no. Wow. Don't hurt yourself. Go down. Lord. Oh my gosh. How come you not stop? Already 15 minutes of flying? Oh. Go down. Oh. No. You are like suicide. Oh no. Get out here. Get out here. Lure. Why you don't understand human language? Hi, honeybirds. I will speak nice to you. Can you lure? Go to the right. Go to the right. Lure. Go to the right. Oh, why you flying in circle? You're not an old grandpa. Don't fly in circle. Oh my goodness. How can I help you, honeybirds? Fly lure. Oh no, poor bird. I'm going to make sure it not fly to the kitchen area. Fox here, get out from there. Just lower a little bit. You see, you lower a little bit, you can find the door out. Why you had to be foolish like that? Why? You're so cute. Why you're foolish? Oh my gosh. When you can stop? When can you stop? Honeybirds have too much energy. I never see birds can continue fly like 18 minutes like that. Not stop 18 minutes. What makes honeybirds only think about the existing is from the ceiling? Why like that? It never want to land, never want to do anything. The door is there. Oh, poor honeybird. Oh, my poor honeybird. Do you love me, honeybird? Do you love me, honeybird? You don't feel the wind? Oh my gosh. You need to get out here. Laura, oh my gosh. This honeybird is going to damage my ceiling. Are you going to do something? Make all the black dark? Oh. Oh my gosh.